Hello friends, today we will talk about current repo rate and its effect on the economy. So, first of all, we understand what is repo rate. It is the rate at which the central bank lends money to commercial banks. Currently, the repo rate in our country is at 4%, which means that commercial banks can borrow money from the central bank at this rate. Now, how does this affect the economy? Well, when the repo rate is high, it becomes expensive for commercial banks to borrow money from the central bank. What happens then? Then they increase their lending rates, making it difficult for individuals and businesses to take loans. This leads to decrease in spending and investment, ultimately slowing down of the economic growth. On the other hand, when the repo rate is low, commercial banks can borrow money at a lower cost. Then they pass on this benefit to individuals and businesses by lowering their lending rates. This encourages spending and investment, leading to increase in economic growth. So, in current situation, with the repo rate at 4%, it is relatively low compared to previous years. So, this has led to lower rates on loans, making it easier for individuals and businesses to borrow money. And this has stimulated spending and investment in the economy. But there is always a risk of inflation when interest rates are low for an extended period of time because people tend to spend more when borrowing is cheap and leading to an increase in demand for goods and services. This can lead to increase in prices, ultimately resulting in inflation. So we can conclude that the current repo rate of 4% is having positive effect on the economy by encouraging spending and investment through lower interest rates. But there is risk of inflation that needs to be monitored closely by the central bank.